Alright, so I was installing Windows on a system and then I came across this error showing a dark screen with horizontal dotted lines. And so I later found out the solution, and that's why I'm making this video, so that I'll show you guys how I solved this problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The error came from when we were creating our bootable hard drive, and it is due to this GPT and MBRU partition format. The system hard drive was on MBRU partition format, while our bootable USB drive was on GPT partition format. All we have to do is to change it from GPT to MBRU format before creating our bootable hard drive, and after this we are going to put it into test to see if it's going to work. Now that we are done creating our bootable USB drive in the MBRU format, now let's put it into test to see if it's going to work. And boom, it really worked. And that's how I was able to solve the problem of dark screen with horizontal dotted lines. If you find this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.